A telescope that looks back in time. There is a telescope in space that can see the past. Not as a trick, really. When it looks far enough away, it sees light that left its home more than 13 billion years ago. This is the James Webb Space Telescope, and it is the most powerful one we have ever built. Here is the strange part. Light is fast, but it is not instant. It takes time to travel. The light hitting your eyes from the sun left it about 8 minutes ago. So you never see the sun as it is now. You see it as it was. And the farther away something is, the further back in time you are looking. Webb uses this to its advantage. It was built to catch light from the very first galaxies, the ones that switched on after the Big Bang, more than 13 billion years ago. By the time that ancient light reaches us, it has been stretched out by the expanding universe into a kind of light our eyes cannot see, so Webb is an infrared telescope. Infrared is the warm glow that everything gives off as heat, and that creates a problem. If the telescope itself were warm, its own heat would drown out the faint signals from across the universe. So Webb has to stay incredibly cold, colder than 370 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit. To do that, it carries a huge sun shield, about the size of a tennis court, that blocks the heat of the sun. It sits 1,000,000 miles from Earth, far past the moon, with its golden mirror, wider than a giraffe is tall, open to the dark, and it is working. Webb has already found galaxies that formed just a few 100 million years after the universe began, older and brighter than anyone expected. Every clear night sky is a kind of time machine. Webb is just the best one we have ever made.